So as it turns out, the car had accidentally hit a deer, and part of the damage is that one of the parking sensors was pushed inside. And it was pushed inside, and the bracket, there's a little plate that holds it to the fender of the car, and that was also unglued from the fender, so you can't just pop the thing back in. And so we used Gorilla Glue and some finesse with two people applying the glue and pressing it in. So now the sensor is glued in. So let's proceed with assembling everything back together. Shall we do that? Okay.